Hey guys, welcome to Cortrack. So today we are starting a new playlist named Git and GitHub. So what are we going to do in this playlist? So in this playlist we will be talking about what is Git, how to use Git locally, and what is GitHub and how does GitHub relates to Git? Can Git be used outside of GitHub without its need? And can GitHub be used outside of Git and how they are both related? What are they used for? What is Git used for and what is GitHub used for? What are the common things in it? And so let's get started. So to start with, what is Git? We first need to install something known as Git software itself. So how do you do that? So you just search in the search bar, install Git. The very first link that you see, Git installing Git, you have to click that. Just name the URL. It's gitscm.com. Sometimes it doesn't end up in the first place. Now, when you do that, there must be some option regarding. Let's see. Okay, installing on GitHub, Linux. Okay, so here is the option named downloads. Now, when you click on the downloads, you see there are three options, three main options. It's if you want to install it on Mac OS, if you want to install it on Windows, or if you want to install it in a Linux system. Now, Linux software, I mean. Now, if you are on a Windows system like me, then you just need to click on Windows and you need to press this click here to download the latest version. Or if you have a 32-bit like Windows setup, then you need to click on this button. If you have a 64-bit kit like mine, then you need to click on this. Now I have a 64-bit, so I have clicked it, and you just have to save it on wherever location you want it to save, and just click on save. I have already done that, so I will not be doing it now. Once you install Git, there is a software installed on your laptop named Git Bash. Now, as search it, there is software Git Bash. You have to open it. So here will be running all our commands. We'll be running all our commands in this software named Git Bash. So every time you need to use it, you have to open this like open this software Git Bash. It can also run in PowerShells and command prompts, but sometimes the command there can differ. So you will have to learn that extra thing. So I probably mostly use it in Git Bash only, and that's what I recommend to you. Now, once you open Git Bash, how do you know that your Git has been installed inside your software? Now, for that, you have to run a command named git version. It will show you what version of a Git is installed in your laptop, if at all it is installed. Now, if I press enter, it shows me that 2.36.1 version is installed in my Windows. So that's the version. So that's how you know that the Git is installed. Now we'll be running with our first commands regarding like how to start using Git and what can Git be used for and all those things in our next video. So stay tuned to that. And if you haven't liked to share and subscribe, then I highly recommend you do that. If you have any questions regarding like anything in IT development regarding front end development or web design, specifically UI or UX design, then I probably would say you can comment and I will definitely reply to you. So thank you guys. Bye.